Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gale, here to share the February 2025 Flavors of the Month kit. So the Flavors of the Month includes 4 brand new collections. You'll get cardstock, pattern paper, and embellishments. You'll also have access to this free exclusive cut file. These are designed by Cut to You exclusively for our subscribers. And this month is this awesome postage stamp design with the rose and then the word Valentine in it. Perfect for our collections this month. You'll also have access to 4 recipe cards. These are for double page layouts that our design team designs for you, and then they give you their cutting and assembly instructions. You'll get a color photograph of the finished layout so you can create right along with them. Along with your kit, you'll also receive a sample of gourmet coffee so you can brew that up and sip on it as you unbox or as you create. So be sure to grab all of those freebies to use with your kit this month. This month our 4 collections are Echo Park Hip Hop Parade, Photoplay Love Notes, Simple Stories for the Record, and Simple Stories Heartstrings. So we have Valentine's, we have a birthday, and then we have a year-round just be able to scrapbook anything collection. So let's dig in. We're going to take a closer look at each one of these collections. First up, we're going to look at Heartstrings from Simple Stories. This is a great Valentine collection. I love the pink and red, but then we have the minty green and the orange. Super cute. So you're going to start with 2 sheets of white cardstock. This paper is Happy Heart Day with all of the different colors of hearts. The back is an orange plaid design. This paper is Wink Wink. We have the drawn hearts in black on white. And then we have a fun confetti print on pink. This paper is a beautiful floral. Just love all of the colors in this. This paper is called Hello Love. And then we have a pink polka dot on red. So one more look at your patterned papers. For your embellishments, you're going to get some of the bits and pieces here, and some foam stickers and some enamel dots. And the enamel dots are glittery, super cute. So all of your embellishments will vary, but you'll get some of each of those. So that is Heartstrings from Simple Stories. Our next collection is For the Record from Simple Stories. You're going to start with 2 sheets of natural cardstock. Your pattern paper is this ledger with the florals and then the label up here. This is called Keep Looking Up, and then we have these sweet little orange flowers on the minty green. This paper's It's All Good, so we have all of the numbers 1 to 12, and then the back is a block print and all of the different colors. This paper Makes Me Smile, which is this really cute, fun, whimsical floral with the smaller ones in between, and then we have a ledger paper on the back, or a grid paper that's in the orange. So one more look at the patterned paper. For your embellishments, you're going to get some of the foam stickers, and then you're going to mixture of the journal, floral, and sentiment bits. So there'll be a little bit of everything from the ephemera packs. So this is just a representation. All of the embellishments will be different. So that is For the Record from Simple Stories. Our next collection is Love Notes from Photoplay paper, so another really pretty Valentine collection. You're going to start with 2 sheets of black cardstock. Your pattern paper is this one called Love Letters with all of the envelopes, and the back is this gorgeous pink and red plaid. And then we have the cherry paper, and it's called Lucky Cherries. The back is a diagonal stripe in the pink and the red. And then a beautiful rose print in the pink and red. This paper is called Heart and Flowers. And the back is just this kind of canvasy print, textured print in pink. One more look. For your embellishments, you're going to get the 12 by 12 sticker sheet. So we have this small scalloped red plaid border, some word labels here. Love the little fortune cookie and the cupcake and the mailbox. Look at the little telephone and gumball machine. So many cute little icons. So that is Love Notes from Photoplay paper. Our final collection is this fun birthday collection, Hip Hip Hooray from Echo Park. You're going to start with 2 sheets of Admiral cardstock. Have this really cute balloon pattern The back is a blue plaid. That paper is called Birthday Balloons. Then we have party hats and streamers. The back is the little funfetti, and on the green, that paper is called Let's Party Supplies. And then we have a star print in all of the different colors and a stripe. And that one's called Make-A-Wish Star. Look at your pattern papers. Your embellishments will be the 12 by 12 sticker sheet. So we have a scalloped border with the rainbow of stripes. We have some large little bits that could be used on cards or titles and subtitles. Of course, all of the birthday cakes and the party supplies and balloons. I just love all the different cakes. So that is Hip Hip Hooray from Echo Park. One more look at your Flavors of the Month kit. Be sure to check out the add-ons that we have available. I'll have videos linked here. We have a cardstock, a pattern paper, and an embellishment add-on, as well as the Shots of Life can be an add-on and give you more pattern paper and more embellishments. So be sure to check all those out, all the other items in the store. Don't forget your freebies. Thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kids.